Welcome back to my channel. So I have decided to put myself to a challenge. Now, this challenge is going to affect some of my videos, actually, well, all of my videos. I am going to be challenging myself because I'm starting to realize that when it comes to going out, like to Rainbow or like going to my dad's house for, just to have lunch or whatever it is, I have really become dependent on looking put together, having my face done, having my hair done, and all of that. I don't wear makeup to work. I don't do my hair specifically for work. I think I've mentioned that millions of times. But when I go out to hang out with friends, or, I'm going to a Rainbow event, or I'm hanging out with Dad for whatever reason, I'm finding that wearing makeup has become too much of a comfort for my liking. So I have decided that over the next month, I am going to challenge myself to not wear makeup and not do my hair. I'll still do my skincare and I'll still do my hair care, but I'm not going to wear any makeup for the month of March. I'm not going to do my hair. I'm not going to straighten it or curl it or wave it or crimp it during the month of March. I am going to embrace the natural wavy, sometimes curly, sometimes wavy, sometimes straight ness of my hair. My hair is just kind of weird. I don't really know how to explain it. Sometimes it's straight, sometimes it's curly, sometimes it's somewhat wavy like it is today, which is why I generally tend to use heat tools when I am filming or going out, because I don't really like how this looks. But I want to get out of needing that, because there are some Rainbow events that are at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Do I really want to be, if it's all the way up north and I have to leave an hour early, do I really want to be waking, so if it's at 7, I'm waking up at 6, I have to leave by 6, does that mean I really want to be waking up at 5 or earlier to do my makeup to go to a Rainbow event that's at 7 o'clock in the morning, possibly lasting till well into the afternoon? Do I really need to put on makeup to go to my dad's house to have dinner with him, my stepmom, and my siblings? Like, these are the things that have been crossing my mind a lot as of lately, and I don't like the fact that I have definitely put myself in that position. I love beauty. I love makeup. I love hair care. I love getting my nails done, everything. I will continue to get my nails done throughout the month of March, but I'm in this period of time where I'm trying to learn who I am again. So as you guys have been able to tell, I've been doing a lot of vegan videos, and I've been doing book videos. I have a ton of books over here. That's why I'm kind of pointing over here. And my beauty videos are going to start coming down. Not because I don't love it, but I want to get to a point where I'm uploading 5 days a week. And trying to do 5 beauty videos a week is really not easy. It's just not easy. So I want to branch out to these other interests that I have, because they're interests I've always had. I may have gone off of them for a little while. Like, I haven't read books in, I don't even know how long. Let me back up the camera a little. I feel like we're a little too close. I think over the past 5 years, I've read maybe 4 books. I used to read like 100 books in a year. I used to be major book nerd. I'm not even gonna lie about it. And I'm slowly coming back to that. I'll actually show you, like, yeah, in that box right there, that's full of books too. So I'm slowly finding that aspect of myself again. A lot of things have happened in my life to where it has made me lose myself. And I'm trying to constantly reinvent myself. And I don't want to do that anymore. I want to know who I am. I want to know what I'm doing. So I think in order to do that, for me, I have to go down to the bare bones. This is what you're going to see for the next month. Now, because of this, a project pan update will not be going up. A samples project pan update will not be going up. And I'm not sure if a favorites video is going to go up because I'm not going to be using any makeup products. And that's generally what my favorite videos are. But who knows, I might still put one up for like skincare. You know, I do have my books. And while I do my wrap up every month, I could, you know, throw that into my favorites as well. Like which book was my favorite book that I read that month or something. But I don't know. My monthly empties will still be available if, you know, there's enough product, which in theory there should be with between skincare and hair care. I should be okay on that. But honestly, this will be the month with the least monthly-esque videos because I'm going down to the bare bones. So I'm not going to wear makeup going out. I'm not going to wear makeup for videos. I am not going to wear makeup for anything. I already don't wear makeup to work. The only time I wear makeup to work is if like we're doing a spirit week and I'm wearing a costume and I do it to enhance the costume. And that's about it. So yeah, this is going to be the bare face challenge. So tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and I will see you guys later.